Did it. You found the strength, the courage to leave an abusive relationship. And while everyone says you're free and strong, there's a part of you that feels incredibly lonely, an emptiness that no one seems to understand. You're probably hearing things like, "You're so much better off. It's a fresh start." While those things are true, they often don't acknowledge the deep grief, trauma, and the loneliness that comes after. People mean well, but they haven't walked in your shoes. This isn't like breaking up with a regular partner. You're grieving the loss of a future you desperately wanted, the person you thought they were, and perhaps even a version of yourself. You're also healing from deep psychological wounds that a normal breakup doesn't inflict. That creates a unique kind of isolation. So, how do you cope with this unseen loneliness? It starts with acknowledging it, giving yourself permission to feel it without judgment. This is a crucial part of your healing journey. First, validate your own feelings. It's okay to be sad, angry, lost, and lonely. These are natural responses to trauma and loss. Don't let anyone, even well-meaning people, minimize what you've been through. Second, reconnect with you. Abusers strip away your identity. What did you love before? What hobbies did you have? Start small. Spend time doing things you enjoy purely for yourself. This rebuilds your sense of self-worth. Third, seek understanding, not just companionship. It's tempting to fill the void. Seek people who get it. This means therapy, support group for survivors, or online communities. In these places, your experience won't be dismissed. Fourth, create your own safe spaces. This can be a corner of your home, a daily ritual, or a specific playlist. These are places where you feel secure, calm, and where you can just be without fear or expectation. Fifth, practice gentle connection. You might not be ready for deep friendships or new relationships. It's okay. Reach out for brief, low-pressure connections with trusted individuals, a quick coffee with a friend who just listens, a phone call. Baby steps. Finally, and most importantly, ask yourself this question: who are you now? Not as a spouse, or a parent, or your job title. Get to the gritty truth. Who are you at your core? You are resilient. You are a survivor. You are worthy of love. You are a child of God. Define yourself by your strength, your courage, and your heart, not by what you endured. Healing is a journey, not a destination, and it's not a race. This unique loneliness is a valid part of your recovery. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and remember, you are not alone. There are others who understand.